Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 leverages large language models that interact with your data using the Microsoft Graph and optionally the Internet to generate personalized experiences with related context as you work, reducing the otherwise manual steps to find the information you need to get up and running fast. So what makes this all possible? Copilot for Microsoft 365 provides a powerful orchestration engine and combines the power of large language models, your universe of data via Microsoft Graph, the Internet, and your Microsoft 365 apps. The Microsoft Graph has long been foundational to Microsoft 365. It includes information about the relationships and activities over your organization's data. It works together with the semantic index for Copilot to orchestrate information retrieval. Discovered information along with the original user prompt is then presented back to the large language model to generate an informed response, which is then returned back to the corresponding app. Importantly, Copilot for Microsoft 365 only uses information that you explicitly have access to, and it respects the security and compliance controls that you have in place with Microsoft 365. Information used while you work with Copilot for Microsoft 365 will never be used to train the large language model, and that also means that your chat history is not retained by the large language model.